Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to restore the default auto-download settings in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and log into your account. Step 2. Above the chat list, locate and click on the three dots icon. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access the WhatsApp settings. Step 4. Within the Settings menu, click on Media Auto Download. Step 5. Now, look for the option that says Reset Auto Download Settings and click on it. And that's it. You have successfully restored the default auto download settings in WhatsApp Web. This will ensure that your media files, such as photos, videos, and documents, are downloaded according to the default settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.